LGK42. Buy for good performance, latest Android V10, Q, decent battery life. Beware of average RAM considering the price, camera setup could have been better. Verdict: LGK42 is yet another addition to the brand's K series that is a decent low-end smartphone with considerable features like good battery and great performance. It also has the latest Android V10, Q, 4G VO LTE, and an ample amount of storage capacity. However, considering the price range, the smartphone has an average camera setup and RAM, especially when other entry-level devices are out with up to quad camera setup and a minimum of 4 to 6 GB RAM. Decent smartphone with good battery. Display and camera. LGK42 is expected to have a 6.5-inch HD plus IPS LCD display, having a screen resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels and a pixel density of 270p. The smartphone has a bezel-less display with a water drop notch designed to support the front camera. It also features a rear fingerprint sensor. Talking about the optics, LGK42 has a dual camera setup of a 13MP primary lens and a 5MP depth camera. The rear camera is packed with basic features like autofocus, ISO control, exposure compensation, digital zoom, HDR, and continuous shooting. The selfie shooter comes with an 8MP primary sensor, which clicks decent images. Configuration and battery. LGK42 should be having a MediaTek Helio P22 chipset, clubbed with an octa-core 2 GHz Cortex-A53 processor. For the graphics, the device is packed with PowerVR GE8320, along with 3 GB RAM, which gets your job done pretty decently. The smartphone derives power from a 4000 mAh non-replaceable Li-ion battery, which gives good backup for long hours. Storage and connectivity. LGK42 has an internal memory of 32 GB that is expandable up to 256 GB, has a dedicated micro SD card slot. Some of the network and connectivity options include 4G VO LTE, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, a GPS, Bluetooth V5.0, and USB Type-C. LGK42 price is expected to be 13,999 rupees. LGK42 expected to be launched on February 19, 2021. This is 3 GB RAM, 64 GB internal storage base variant of LGK42, which is expected to available in green, gray color. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.